Oh my god! Please don't. Oh. Right now the temperature has arrived at 35 degrees. To stand under the sun makes me feel that I'm burning. Play around in this kind of weather. I bet there must be no too many people. So let's go. It looks like it's very fun down here, so I'm gonna change my shoes and get down. I gotta say, it is a pretty place to, you know, swimming outside. Wow, that's... Woo! Woo! Alright, that's pretty fun enough that I got to get over the shore because the wave is getting bigger and bigger. As you can see, it can get touched in my belly. Yeah, so I'm gonna, oh my gosh, come again. So, oh my gosh. So, it's time to, oh my god! Please don't, please don't, please don't. Oh, as you can see, it touched my pocket. Alright, I'm gonna get back. Woo! Ah! I'm leaving. There seems is a good view, so let's come to here and find out. Oh, now we are arrived at the forest, and I'm gonna explore this place. There seems like a abandoned park, and there are rare people over here. And I think I can do a little adventure over here. Oh, bumblebee. You see there's a swing down here, and the view is also very good. I don't know why don't the people come here. Maybe they just don't know this place, and I know. Hey, how you doing, little puppy? Okay guys, on the way back to home, I found an area that was planted so many conch barns, so I'm gonna have some. Ooh, there we go. Oh my gosh, looking. Alright, there's a little one, but not enough. Let's just keep going. Okay, another one. Oh, very good. There's another one. So there's all we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 conch barn, that little one, large one. And the rest of them is tiny one, so maybe they can fix my thirsty problem. Yeah. See you next time, fellows.